How to organize your Google Drive. Over time, with some neglect and potential laziness, your Google Drive can accrue tons of files and become a mess to find anything. Here's how to organize your drive to find everything fast and make sure it stays in order. One of the easiest ways to organize your Google Drive is to create category-specific folders. For example, you could have separate folders for pictures, documents, projects, or other descriptions to help you locate files. If you have a few files in other folders already and want to relocate them, no problem. Select the files, right-click, and then choose Move to. Navigate to the destination folder. Click it, and then select Move to transfer all the selected files to that folder. Try to use a naming convention that helps you easily differentiate files and folders from each other. When you start to accumulate more items in your drive, thoughtful names could save you from opening several files while you try to locate a specific one. Having multiple spreadsheets with extremely ambiguous names isn't a helpful way to find anything in a pinch. Remember to keep a consistent and descriptive naming scheme to make it obvious where to find specific items and what the actual file contains. After you move your important files into more distinguishable folder categories, you might have some leftover duplicate or unnecessary documents in your drive. This is when you can delete those potentially unneeded files still hogging up space. Drive doesn't provide you with a confirmation prompt when you delete files but does give you the chance to undo a delete. Click Undo to reverse the deletion. If you miss the opportunity to click Undo after you remove some files, click the Bin button located in the menu bar. Right-click on the files you want to bring back, and then click Restore. Google Drive has a hidden shortcut that lets you create a symbolic link of something in a completely different place, without taking up any additional storage in your drive. Google stores only the original file copy in the cloud and displays a separate version wherever you link it. If you delete, remove a symbolic link, all other versions go with it, the original included. To safely remove only the link, you have to unlink it through the Details pane. Here's how to do it. Be careful to delete only the link rather than the file it's linking to. If you delete the original file, the link will disappear as well. Starring essential files and folders in Google Drive works the same as starred emails in Gmail. When you star something, Drive adds it to a special, starred, section that you can access directly from the menu pane on the left side. The item stays in its current place and Drive essentially creates a symbolic link, much like we did in the previous section, to the original that shows up in starred. By default, Google Drive uses gray for all folders. While folder color isn't a make or break detail, you can color code them to recognize a folder easier and make it stand out from all the rest. You have the choice of 24 colors to put a little pizzazz into your drive. No matter how disorganized your drive is, you can quickly put a stop to the clutter and whip everything back into a neat and organized structure. Gone are the days when you feel overwhelmed every time you open Google Drive and see the mess that developed over the years with these tips. Text source, howtogeek.com.